Hey winners, it's Mr. Win again. So last time we talked about the production possibilities curve, right? We talked about how it shows scarcity, opportunity cost, trade-offs, and efficiency. Now, there's two ways to express the production possibilities graph, all right? And so let's talk about that today. All right, so we're gonna use two goods. We're gonna be talking about pizzas and calzones. I know, I'm hungry too. So notice, the question I'm asking you is, it says, list the opportunity cost of moving from A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to E. What that means is, let's go ahead and decide what's the opportunity cost as you're making 4 calzones, and when you're making 4 calzones, let's say you go ahead and you decide to make 3 calzones, and 2 calzones, and 1 calzones, and 0 calzones, all right, while you're making more pizza, okay? So let's take a look. What is happening to the opportunity cost? So first off, notice that when you're initially making 4 calzones, you're making 0 pizza, right? You're using all your resources to make calzones. Now, let's go ahead and decide, hey, you know what? I want to make more pizza. So let's say you decide, hey, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and make 1 pizza. In the process of making 1 pizza, how many calzones are you giving up, right? So right here, you were making 0 pizzas, right? But now you decide to make 1. Now, in the process of making 1 pizza, how many calzones did you give up? Right, good. You gave up 1. It goes from 4 to 3. Now, why does that make sense? It makes sense because the resources that you use to make calzones, those same resources now have to be used to make a pizza. So while you're making pizza, you're trading off the resources that you could use to make all 4 calzones. And instead of making all 4, you are limited to make 3. And now while making 3 calzones, you can make 1 pizza, okay? Now, notice, same thing, right? Let's say you decide, hey, you know what, instead of making 1, I want to make 2 pizzas. So in the process of making 2 pizzas, how many calzones did you give up? Right, you gave up 1 again. And notice that the opportunity cost from moving A to B to C to D and D to E, all of them together, you're giving up 1 calzone each time. Why is that? The reason is because the resources between calzones and pizzas are interchangeable, right? Same dough, tomato sauce, cheese, pepperoni, or whatever it is that you guys use to eat your pizzas and calzones, the ingredients are very interchangeable, which is why it is known as constant opportunity cost. It is constant, right? It is a linear line. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys that in a little bit. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.